it is 1 day post-op, my smooth tuck and fat transfer to my hips. I am slouched over because I'm not about to pull myself up straight. If you have a tummy tuck or a smooth tuck, you know they tell you not to pull up yourself straight until your body's ready to. So I just used the bathroom. That's my mommy. She's been helping me. Say hi, my wave.
Hi.
So I'm getting up, the binder is extremely tight, guys. Like when I mean extremely tight, the binder is super duper tight. So like it's just like that. I feel like that's the only thing that's annoying is that the binder is super tight. My hips are swollen. This side of my hips is super duper swollen. I have no idea why it's this swollen. It's still inflamed. This side is not that bad. This side is kind of coming down, but this side is super swollen. Yeah, I can't really feel my stomach right now. I can only feel the pressure of the actual garment that I have on, and I have to wear this for a week until I go back next week, and they'll remove it. But as you guys can see, I am hunched over. I do have the one drain in on the side. I had to milk it earlier because it was not coming out. But once I milked the actual drain, now, wait, Daddy Mama, now it's working. Mm-hmm. So we had to milk it, and now it's actually flowing a little bit better. I'm not sure if it's the way I was positioned on my sleeping area over here, but I woke up, I saw that it was kind of clogged. So you can actually milk it. Anybody knows milking, what milking is if you're a nurse. So I milked it, pushed the fluid in there, emptied it out, and then now it's completely flowing nicely. Now, pain level on a 1 to 10 scale level was kind of, let's see. Right now I'm like at a 5. I took a Percocet like at 4 o'clock in the morning because my cousin came downstairs to get a glass of water and the ice machine woke me up. So I went to sleep. I woke up at 4. I took another nap till like 7:30. And 8 o'clock is my pill time, but I'm going to back it up to 9 o'clock. So I'm going to have my set of pills at 9 o'clock along with the Percocet because this is, like, I'm telling you guys, the fat transfer hurts the worst to me. I don't care what anybody says. The fat transfer part hurts the worst. If I'd have just got the smooth tuck, I think I would have been fine like that. I should have just opted out of the fat transfer because boy, does it hurt. And it's still really swollen and hard as a rock. Like, guys, I am super hard as a rock. But overall, I'm fine. I'm gonna have some yogurt because, you know, antibiotics can give you a really bad yeast infection. So I'm trying to avoid that. So if you get like Greek yogurt has live cultures in it. So the live cultures in the Greek yogurt can kind of help put your body back into normal flora, especially the vaginal area where that's usually where you get those yeast infections at. So I do have yogurt. And like I said, if you get Greek yogurt with live cultures, instead of going through all that monostat stuff at the end, just avoid it in the beginning by eating Greek yogurt with live cultures. So that's what I'm doing. I'm having one that's actually keto friendly, so I'll put it in the video for you guys. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. I'll come back a little bit later. My mom's gonna hang out with me today. She's probably gonna go to work really quickly and come back, but for the most part, she's gonna hang out with me. And yeah, so I'm doing fine. I will come back a little bit later. Right now it's 8:45 in the morning, so I'm up. I did a few laps around here. And yeah, so I'm feeling good, guys, and I will catch you guys later. Hey, guys. I just had to come back and do like a little quick update. I'm looking so crazy, but like I just want to let you guys know, like, I think like the pain has officially kicked in. Like, I like to stretch the narcotics out. So I like to put myself in this, you know, position of like trying to take some of the pain in and not like be so dependent on the narcotic. But the pain is a freaking killing me right now. Another thing I want to mention, I don't know, a lot of people that get tummy tucks, they know this, like your vaginal area will actually be really, really fat. So I do have like some vaginal swelling, like it's like weird. It's like I can still use the bathroom, I can pee and stuff. My like puss is like huge. So I took my pills around like 8:45. She told me to take the narc. I don't take 2 oxys. I only take 1 at a time, just because those things are really like I just don't like them anyways. They make you feel funny, but I need to freaking take a nap. So my mother should be on her way back, and then when she comes back, I'm gonna get some food in, and I'm gonna have to take the narc and take a nap. Like I'm just like in so much pain right now. I am having some of my 1-a-day woman's vitamins. I eat these all the time, so I have 2 of them right now. But, like, the pain is really here today, and it's not going away. It's like really tight and stingy and like, and like me just repositioning myself is super hard. So I definitely need my mom to get back and help me. My cousin actually had to go to school, so his ass is not gonna help me. But I wanted to come and give you guys an update. Oh my god, like it's really, really starting to hurt. Like, but I know this is what to expect and it will get better. So I'm just keeping in there, holding on. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. But the pain is really starting to show itself. Like, all right, guys. So I kind of wanted to show you guys how my setup is. So I'm sitting on the long end of the couch. Look at that nice Haitian blanket, or that island blanket. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm sitting on the edge of this. I have this pillow on my back, and then I have this large one underneath my legs. And it's a long section area here, so then that's how I sleep. Obviously, my pills and all my other stuff are right there. Yeah, so this is kind of like the setup and how I've been sleeping. I have like two pillows on my back and then this one large pillow underneath my legs. So I'm kind of sitting in like a scoop shape. My hips are planted. I can't sleep on my sides, and I can't sleep on my stomach, obviously. So I'm just sitting like this. So for now, this is how I'll be staying for the next until Friday, because I'm probably gonna go back to my apartment in Brooklyn, hopefully, or I'll probably just stay until Easter maybe. So I don't know. All right, guys. So it's the end of the evening. So I would say this is day one, the full day after. So today it was like more of a painful day. I felt a lot of pain. I honestly and truly feel like towards the end of the night, meaning now that I feel a little bit better. I was able to get up without too much pain. One thing I did want to mention is that my vag is super puffy. I don't know if I already mentioned that already. So I have to use kind of like a little bit of an ice pack. So I did it the kind of getaway. So I did an ice pack in a sandwich bag. And then I used a really fresh, brand new black sock and just wrapped it in there and used it as a little ice pack on my groin, like right in that crotch area. My vagina is so huge. I don't know. I think, like I said to you guys, I read something about when people get tummy tucks and stuff like that, that usually happens. So I do have a little bit of inflammation. It's just really irritating because the binder is a little bit too tight in that area. So I do put the little ice pack there. It's really calm and soothing. I don't know. Like I'm still having like breakthrough pain, mostly because I'm supposed to take 1 or 2 oxys and I've only been taking one. Only because the oxys will really knock you out, make you feel really dopey. And I still want to enjoy some of my day, you know what I'm saying? So I do have 2 Tylenol PM, so I'm going to try the Tylenol PM tonight. I'm going to take it around 12 o'clock, and if the 12 o'clock one, I'll take it around 12 o'clock, and then if I wake up with some like big breakthrough pain around like 4 o'clock, then I'll take 1 oxycodone at that time. But I'm hoping that the Tylenol PM extra strength works because I want to take a nice long nap. I've been taking like little naps throughout the whole day, and it's just kind of been like, I need to have like a really like long ass sleep. So yeah. So other than that, I'm doing fine. Obviously, I didn't expect day one to be like a swift day. I knew day one was gonna be hectic as hell. So my mom stayed home with me, took care of me, so I'm pretty much good. I did speak to some of my friends today and stuff like that, so I'm pretty much okay. But I'm just ready for this process to be over. Shout out to everyone who watched my video and enjoyed it. I'm going to try to do more vlogs like this during the week because this journey may be helpful for someone else who has going through weight loss surgery. Going through weight loss, or even if you have weight loss surgery or whatever, and you need like some type of information about, reconstructive type of surgeries like, skin removal, abdominoplasty, stuff like that. Like I said, my route was a little bit different. I didn't get a full tummy tuck. I just got a smooth tuck or a mini tummy tuck. And for me, this was the best option because I don't have kids and I want to have kids. So this was the best option for me at this point, especially because I'm not going to have kids until like 3 years from now. So I can still have a small back. But yeah, so I'm fine now. I will catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. Hopefully it gets better. I cannot stand up straight. You guys saw I'm like kind of like hunched over. It's best that I stay like that. He was like, just wait till your body's ready to kind of like lift yourself up. Don't force yourself to stretch out yet until you're ready to. So taking his advice and hopefully things will work out. But like I said, I'm still looking pretty much the same. The drain is still here. I have about like 100 cc's of fluid today, so not too bad. It's kind of slowly stopping. And like I said, I do have the ice pack. I'm going to actually put the ice pack in my inner pants and put it right like on my groin or crotch area. But you guys can see, look at that little waist and the hips. This side right here is very inflamed though, like really, really inflamed. And this side is not too bad, but yeah. So, and I still got my bra on. And there is a little cushion in here because he did do lipo all the way up here near my breast. So my boobs are really tender underneath and on the sides. Honestly, truly, I'm very thankful. He did a really good job. Like, well, for the most part that I can think of, like he did everything that I wanted him to do, which is great. So that's one thing I'm really happy about. So guys, I'm going to go to bed. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Like I said, I'm going to try to roll these vlogs out, and I have a few hair videos coming out. So I'm going to try to keep rolling these out for you guys. I hope you guys appreciate it. Hope you guys love it. Thank you for all the support, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.